Hey everybody, Iceman50 here. So we're at the storage space. The bearings and cups came in for the front end. So I'm gonna see if I can get those put in, and maybe we can get the front end on. And I'm gonna throw some washers and stuff under some of those bolts that we did. So I'm gonna try and make this a little bit shorter video. We'll see. No promises. We'll see you in a minute. All right. So we got my Ace 2 Pro here. And I got the DJI wireless mic set up. We'll see how this goes. I got the Ace 2 or Ace Pro. I keep calling it Ace 2. Ace Pro, double zoomed in. I learned my lesson from the moto vlog, and we'll make sure that we don't leave it zoomed in. So we got our bearings here. My biggest concern was, is it gonna fit? This top cup is pretty loose. I don't know, it's kind of rusty, crusty, nasty. It looks like they're very similar cups. This one just kind of looks better. I like the sharp edges of this one better than this, how it's kind of like chamfered. So, and these are new. So let's try it. Looks like it's gonna work. Let me find I need to find a board or something, and we can hammer this down. Hang on. All right, all I got is a wheel chock and a tiny baby hammer. We'll try both together or one at a time or something. Let's see if we can figure this out. Let's see. I just don't want to mar up the surface. Let's just try without the hammer. It's working, sort of. Ow! It hurts my hands, but it's on there. Hey, all right, that's not too bad. Hey, a little worse for wear. It's a wheel chock. Put it to work. All right, I found a bigger hammer and a screwdriver, flat blade. See if we can get this other one out here. Oh yeah, no problem. Oh, my phone, yeah, could you imagine me smashing my phone screen? I don't think so, bud. Okay. Just like that. Easy, easy peasy. Got another one. Okay. Somewhere, I hope I brought the dust caps. I got the dust caps for the bearings. If they're not here, they're at home. But we're not going to permanently put the front end on. But let's give this a shot. Let me. Where did I put my? Here it is. Yikes. Hit my finger. She's in there. All right. So we got our nice brand new Timken bearings. Oh man, I like the black and chrome. She already starting to look good. That one's not going to sit in there, but oh yeah. All right. Let me drag over the front end here, wherever I put it. Huh. I have to find a big old fucking wrench. I don't even think it's gotta be bigger than an inch, right? That's what she said. Yeah, it's bigger than an inch. All right, hang on a second and let me see if I got a wrench big enough to get her done. Hang on. All right, everybody. I can't find a wrench, but I got a pipe C-clamp. Is it dumb if it works? It's working. Nice. Oh, don't slip on me. I need to find my big croissant wrench. I didn't know if this was even possible. Well, you know what they say, necessity is the mother of all invention. Oh yeah, by the way, I bought this a while ago. Tight Reach Pro. If you guys have ever seen one of these, you put your socket or your socket wrench or your impact on this side. There's a chain inside, allows you to get down into some deep crevasse, you know, like in a car or whatever. These are pretty cool, and this is the legit Tight Reach brand. There's knockoffs, but these are pretty legit. So I think one of the months I got some money, I bought this. It was like $100. Oh no, Grunkle Billy, big shout out to Grunkle Billy. He did a survey on Amazon, and it was a $75 survey, and this cost like $85. So he's like, here, take the money I got from the survey and buy something. So I bought a Tight Reach Pro. Thanks, Grunkle Billy. And the bikes are out today. Oh man, it's pretty hot. I've ridden when it's 90 plus and it sucks. Especially with all your gear on. Not really my favorite thing to do. I actually prefer it cold. I'd rather ride in winter than ride at when it's like 20 instead of 100. You can always add on layers. You can't only take off so much, you know. All right. Matt from Wheels Through Time would probably be laughing at me right now. I just watched a video today. I'm looking at some old 20-something Harley with bikes and beards. That was pretty funny. So, what? These have to come off too? Ah, geez. I guess so, right? Okay, well, I guess it's gonna take me a minute, so we'll be right back. I had the thought, what if I undo this guy here, and it goes, and there's a spring. I wish I could remember now. Matt, help me. The whole thing's spinning now. God, I'm fucking nervous. I don't feel like it's under pressure. Okay. Oh, and there's an O-ring in there. Okay. All right. I'm just going to take off the other side. We're going to hope and pray. At least I know now it won't explode on me. What am I doing? This is bad, okay? I mean, is this the way it comes apart? I see that one has a washer under it. This one does not. So it looks like I'll be ordering washers and O-rings, I guess. Shit. Holy fuck. There we go. What's up with this bearing? Tell me I pounded these cups in and now these bearings don't fit on here. Ooh, sounds yummy. I got myself in a pickle now, don't I? You tell me these. Okay, so it looks like this shaft doesn't fit in the hole that I have here. Neither does that one. Okay. Well, I guess that's a good place to stop. I don't know what the hell I'm doing. Let's get this back in here without that on. See, I thought all this Harley shit was just supposed to fit together, right? Oh. Surprise, motherfucker. So, did I get the wrong bearing cups size? Shit. All right, well, it's fairly obvious that I have no clue what the fuck I'm doing. So now I gotta go back, and I wish I had calipers out here. I'd measure the shaft on this thing. Of course, after I pound in the nice, bearing race, the cups here. So I think what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna call it a wrap. I'm gonna see if I can take out a few of these bolts and put in some spring washers, and we'll call this one a video. I got more research. So Matt from Wheels Through Time, if if you can help me, please, Obi-Wan Kenobi, you're my only hope. I'll show you the front end I got. Hang on a second here. All right, so here's the front end I got. You can see it. Maybe you can tell me what it is. Anybody tell me what this is. Here, if we get a better close-up of what I was talking about here. See, it doesn't go over. It's like the diameter's too small. It said this would fit. I went to Dennis Kirk. It said it would fit. You can see the cups here. This is a 77 frame. I don't know what year this front end is, but I must have ordered something wrong. Who knows? Oh, that bearing's no good. So yeah. If anybody has any idea what's up, let me know. Is that 1/2 inch? No, it's probably like what 9/16 or something. Yep. All right, back to my 1/2 inch. All right, well, I gotta get some more washers anyways. Some spring washers, lock washers, whatever you want to call them. Put those here. This one can get tightened down. All right, we'll leave that one alone. And then I'm gonna need some more washers and some spacers under there. So that's a wrap. We'll see you guys.